Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, first we use red color. First we use the color of red, and now we draw the letter of A. First we draw A. Kids, the next one is B, and we again use red color. B for ball, B for bat. Now we use red color. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now we draw C. C for cat, C for cow. The color of red. Kids, now we use blue color and draw the letter of D. D for doll. The color of blue. Now we use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. And now we use blue color. The number of 1, and the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. Kids, now we use green color. The color of green. The next one is 4. We again use green color and now we draw the number of 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The number of 5. And the next one is 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of triangle. And now we draw the shape of heart. We again use green color. Now we draw heart. Kids, now we use yellow color and draw the shape of heart. The color of yellow. The next one is star. We again use yellow color and now we draw the shape of star. Kids, the next one is the shape of pentagon. Now we use black color. The color of black. Kids, we again use black color and now we draw the shape of square. Now we draw the shape of square. Thank you so much for watching.